Hello everyone, welcome back to Mrs Drewry Food Channel. Happy Easter to everyone. Today is Palm Sunday and Mr Drewry is going to show you how he prepares his palm nut soup with mixed meat and plantain fufu. It is a very delicious soup and very easy to prepare. So if you are interested, please keep on watching. For this recipe, we've got cow foot, beef meat, salted pork feet, and we've got goat tripes. We got here 2 onions, we've got ginger, about 6 garlic cloves and 3 scotch bonnet peppers. We've got 1 tomato plum, but you can use the fresh one if you like. We've also got some fresh okros and some jumbo oyster mushrooms. We are going to use Ghana best Palmnut soup cream, and I think it is one of the best out there. We are going to use some jumbo beef flavor stock. I'm also going to use some tomato puree, and of course you need some salt to taste. So now let's get started. We've washed our meat and we are going to add about half a teaspoon of salt because we've got salted pork feet. And then we are going to add our tomato puree, just about half of it. You can also use tomato paste if you can't find this one. Next, we are going to add in our onions, our pepper, and then we are going to add 1 tablespoon of beef flavor stock. And then we are going to add some water, so about 300 ml of water, about 1.5 cups, let's say. And then we are going to cover it and leave it to steam for about 10 minutes to begin with. And then we are going to give it a little stir. And we're going to leave it to cook a little bit longer because we've got cow foot and it takes a bit of time. So cover it and leave it on for another 15 minutes. Alright, so this is after 15 minutes and now we are going to remove the onions and the scotch bonnet peppers. By the way, if you want it spicier, please use more. You know something, I'm always amazed when Mr. Drewry is cooking because I always learn new things. He cooks so differently from me and it is just funny and amazing and it always turns out good. So after you've removed it, give it a stir and cover it again on a medium heat. So now we are going to put our vegetables in the blender. So this is when we add the ginger and garlic and also the plum tomato or chopped tomato if you prefer. Now blend it until smooth and then add about 2 cups of water, and it depends on how thick you want it basically, and then add it to the blender and blend it for a few seconds. We usually like our soup a honey hot, not too thick and not too light. Next we are going to strain our tomato mixture. So use a strainer and your wooden spoon and strain it. You don't have to do it. I don't do it sometimes, but Mr. Drewry always does it. He said this is light palm nut soup. So keep that in your mind. It is light palm nut soup. So once you've done that, give it a little stir, cover it and leave it to cook for about 15 minutes on a medium heat. And then after 15 minutes, we are going to add our palm nut cream. So this is a small can, but they've got bigger ones just in case you are planning to prepare more soup. So add it. It's very easy with a spoon, just as it is. And then we are going to fill up our palm nut cream can with some water, and then we are going to add it to our soup. Next, we are going to give it a stir. Make sure you stir it well, okay? Because we just added the palm nut cream to it. Right, so now we are going to cover it and leave it to cook for about 20 minutes on the lowest heat possible. Alright, so this is it now, and we are going to add our okros and mushroom. Of course, this is optional. Then give it a stir, cover it and leave it to cook for about 5 minutes. And then after 5 minutes, we are going to add 1 tablespoon of maggi powder. Please, this is optional because minim say ebi mumpe maggi cubes. So if you don't like it, do not add it. And then cover it and leave it to cook for about another 5 minutes. And then we are going to give it a little stir and then leave it to cook on cover for about 7 minutes on the lowest heat possible. And this is it, friends. Your palm nut soup is ready when you see all this oil on top of it. Look at this soup. Look at this. Enjoy with your fufu, guys. Mine is almost ready. You can see my water boiling here and my fufu here. Guys. And then the as embassy. Now we are going to get our fufu ready and enjoy it. So look at this, and it smells so good, guys, so good. This is Palm Sunday fufu or Palm Sunday palm nut soup. So everyone, this was our recipe. Thank you all for watching, and happy Easter once again. Thank you all, and stay blessed. See you next time. Bye bye.